Okay, here's a little tutorial. So you can update your mods from 1.81 to 1.0. Now this same principle works for older mods from like say 1.73, 1.66, any of those. What you'll do is get the appropriate MCP file for that version, which for 1.81 it's 4.4. I'm not sure what it's for the others, but you can check the MCP release site and it will tell you which one's for which version. So you just download that and then you'll extract it. And then you also need the mod for that version. Modloader, because the mod I'm using has modloader, and it also has the audio mod. You don't have to install audio mod when you're getting the source code for this, but I just had it anyway, so I'd put it here. And then you also need the bin folder for that version with the Minecraft.jar and all those files in there. So you just copy the whole folder from that version. You might have to look on the internet or downgrade if possible, or if you already have it backed up unmodified, then that'll work too. So alright, here we go. You'll copy and paste the bin folder into jars. I already have it here, just to speed things along in this video. And then you'll open up the mod that you're going to edit, and you will put that inside of the Minecraft.jar along with modloader. So copy these, paste those in there. I always do these as well. So let's get modloader. Do that. And I'll just toss the audio mod in there for good measure. Alright. Boom, that's done. Alright. Now what you'll need to do is decompile. And it will run through the decompiler, which I guess I'll show you that. It runs this, blah blah blah, and it will eventually generate the source files here. And what you'll need to do is copy all the source files related to the mod which are all these. So you'll look for chr sprite.java, entity grove sprite.java, all of those. I have those right here already copied, just to save me a little bit of time. We can close that then, and we won't need the why do I have so many folders open? Close some of these, sorry. Okay, that's that, that's that. Alright, there we go. Alright, so we have our Java classes, and we have the 1.0 stuff. Now, just like you did with the older version, you'll extract the MCP for 1.0, which is 5, and get the folder. You'll also need the bin unmodified you'll need modloader, and you will need audio mod. So you'll copy the bin, go to jars, paste the bin. Oh, excuse me. I'll just overwrite everything. And open up modloader, audio mod. And I'll go back into the bin folder, open up minecraft.jar, and I will toss the audio mod for 1.0 in there, close that, modloader for 1.0 in there. Alright, and then you will need the image files and the resources for this. So you'll just copy those from the zip that you got for the mod, just right inside there. Go back into the jars folder, and you will copy and paste the resources. I'm sure most of you know how to do this if you've installed mods before. Should be kind of common knowledge. Alright. Just doing this so you can actually see the process. So this is what yours should look like. And you'll need to decompile it after you put all that stuff in there. All the modloader, the audio mod, and the image files. And we'll just wait for that to decompile. It takes a little bit of time. We'll pause this and start it back up when it finishes. Alright. And this is what it does. As you can see, it took 63 seconds there, and then to recompile the client, which took 13. Usually takes 10 to 15 seconds. It's taking a little longer now because I'm recording the video. Alright, so you just close that. And you get all these new folders now. What you'll do is go into the source, Minecraft, net, Minecraft source, and these are all the files that you'll need to possibly deal with. You shouldn't have to deal with many of them, as this is totally modloader. So what we'll do is just copy all our source files that we got from the 1.81 version, just paste them right into the 1.0 version, and then we will try to recompile. I won't fix every error, I'll fix a couple of them just to give you an idea how to do it. Alright, the main one I want to show first is right here. The mod grosswrite Java, and it says cannot do abstract method load. So I go back to the source files. I like to edit them in a different folder before I put them over here. It's just a habit of mine. Sorry about the audio if it's kind of crappy. I don't have a good mic. have like 4 mics and they're all terrible. This is the best one. Alright. So it tells you, usually this is fairly accurate, but this tells you it's line 16, which tells you it's right here. This is wrong. What it's telling you is that there's a missing function. So you just add a couple enters. Type in public void load. You'll have to do this for all modloader mods from the old version to the new version. Parenthesis, opening, closing, and that's all you have to do, and that will fix that error. But once you fix this error, you'll get another error in this file, and it's this. It's the version. They changed the function name from version to get version, so you just add get. And then while you're here, you might as well just change the string, the version number, and close that. And I had 14 errors, I believe. Yes, 14 errors. Copy this, paste it here, and recompile. Alright, and got rid of those errors now. But you still have all of these errors still. Let's see, let's go get max health. That's a fairly easy one to fix too. But it also tells you it's an abstract method. It tells you, just like in the other one, it's the same thing. It's a missing function. For this one, is part of entity living. So what you'll do is go to the source files, go to entity living, open that up, and the method is get max health. So type in get max health, and go down to the function one, and it's right here. So what you'll need to do, just copy that, and it's part of ch sprite. Let me look. Alright. Just making sure there's no other ones that are the same error. Alright, takes you here. So, chwrite, open that up. And just like before, add a couple lines. But when you add this one, you don't want the abstract there. So you'll just want this. And remove the semicolon, opening bracket, closing bracket. And there you go. Close that. And close the other file as well. So we were down to 13 errors with this. I'll close that old one. Yeah, we're down to 13 errors with this one. Paste it here. And then do recompile. Alright, now we're down to 12 errors. And you just kind of keep doing that back and forth, going through the files, searching for the missing functions. Alright, and that's about it for this video. Have a nice day.